So it's installed, okay? So the basic
Okay.
uh,
Uh,
root and Eve is the password, okay? So type the root password Eve, repeat Eve, enter DHCP, enter, enter. Okay, so it's taken IP address as 192.168.128.128, okay?
okay.
Okay, but I mean, it's
156.
showing warning some Intel VTX AMD is not found, so we have to just enable this. So first we will enable that, okay? If root the power off, ENG. Then we have to enable this. Edit virtual machine. That's all. Okay. Uh, Features. So we have to reboot this. So we'll just reboot and reconnect, okay?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So maybe we have to just reboot it once again. So when you reboot, I mean, make sure that the virtualization is enabled in the BIOS, right?
How it will be enabled?
Yeah, in the BIOS, the virtualization should be enabled, okay? So if you know the option, you can check it once it's rebooting. Okay, so similarly, we have to set up the bin, that is the switch images here. So we'll just copy the switch images, all the switch images here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Previously, I was not able to copy this images file. Really.
Oh, oh, okay, okay. So go to the drive here. We will extract one image of FortiGate. So this is FortiGate manager, so we don't require that. So we need the FortiGate firewall. So we'll extract this.
Okay.
Okay. So FortiGate will be the camo image, right? So we have to copy the camo image here. Just refresh this. Where it is extracted. So D only. So B. Okay. So here it is. So we'll just copy this here. Okay. So we have downloaded the other one, that is Palo Alto also, right? Downloads, I think
Okay.
it's. So this is the Palo Alto. So we'll just create one folder here. So this will be in small letters always. Palo Alto, Palo Alto hyphen. This is 9.0.1. So you have to follow the naming format, right? So there will be different naming formats if you check on the EVNG website. So it has to match the naming format, otherwise it will not show the option in the lab environment. If you have changed this instead of dash, if you put something else, or if there is a spelling mistake in the name, then it will not show up here. Okay, so it has to be same. So you can refer the website in case if you have no, if that image is not coming up in the lab. The name should be exactly how it is mentioned in the EVNG naming format.
Okay.
Okay, so let let that copy. So here you can see now Cisco. It should show the Cisco images. So we have here that is 3725 IOL. We can see the switches here, right? So switch. This is switch. Let's see if it is turning on or not. Okay. So we'll select the switch icon here.
This
Okay, and
okay.
we'll also add the router that is Cisco router. So let's add 3725. I'll add one router here to just check, I mean, whether everything is turning on or not. Okay. So
Okay.
node will just add here FortiGATE. So here we have FortiGATE. Okay. Now FortiGATE.
These are so many models for the Fortinet
Yeah,
by
yeah, yeah, yeah,
1500D and
yeah, yeah.
so so
So we have to wipe the device here. So you can actually take any one, okay? In case if you want to activate it, you can activate it. Otherwise, you can use the trial only to practice.
okay.
So FortiGate is turned on. Now let's see the router. Router is also turned on. Now let's see the switch. Okay, switch is not turning on. That's why it once. Maybe it's because that, I mean, we haven't copied the license files there. Let's see. Can you open that link once again? The images link. Or else do
Pages link.
or else do one thing. I'll just give you one more link. Just give you one more link. Just- Yeah. So we can directly copy this actually. It's already bundled. And just sending you the is it not received?
Receipt one maybe. Let me copy this link.
Okay. Okay. Save this. Download and save. We'll delete this all.
Not required. After,
No,
mm,
well, yeah, this one we will copy there.
okay.
Yeah. See, this is a file we require actually to work that.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's see. Okay. So switch router. Okay, switch turned off again. So let me check. Okay. So now it's not turning off, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So switch is running, router is also running, and your firewall is also running. Okay. So we'll see the Palo Alto now. Let's see the Palo Alto. Okay. Okay. So Palo Alto is also running. Okay. So your
Okay.
lab is set up completely. Okay.
Mhm.
So from next class, we will be doing we will do the initial lab first, then we will continue with our syllabus, all right?
All right. All right.
Okay, your lab is ready, or whatever. I mean, if you have already used this, then I mean you can practice whatever you want. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
yeah, all right. So we'll continue. Thanks,
Thank you. Thank you.
thanks,
Okay.
thanks. Bye.